was born to do. I was born to do. I was born to do. I was born to do. I've been sitting right here, locked in this room all through the night, trying to write every second of my life in this mic. It's been a fight just to get them to listen and pay attention. Punching till my knuckles are bleeding, they made a dent, not to mention ain't got a dollar to my name, just living gig to gig, straight caught up in the fame. Sleeping in my car, hoping to sell a disc, cause you're wanting it so bad, you're tasting it on your lips. Get a pen and paint a picture, or the pen and pull the ladder, whether it's pitter patter, people broken jabs, or well it doesn't matter, cause this hurt won't all be forever. I'm keeping my head high and hoping for the better when everything's down and out, under the weather, and every first round you're out, stuck in the shredder. Yeah, I claim to have friends, but they're never around, so you keep moving on, one man in the crowd. This is my day, this is my night, this is my pain, this is my life, this is what I was born to do. Yeah, I was born to do. Every new day, every new night, every new stage, every new fight, this is what I was born to do. Yeah, I was born to do. Yeah, this is what I'm made for. Every single moment that I'm living, I can feel it on the stage floor. You don't know the half of what I've given to make it up to this level. Every day at home, spit